Up, Devons here, United Nations BMX1. This is going to be my bike check update. From the frame, it's a 2012 Kink Whip. The bars are Kink Uptown bars. They're bent. Grips I got are ODI long neck grips, ODI nylon bar ends. Stem is the Mission Converge stem in purple. Mission headset. Forks are Kink Volt. They're bent. Front rim I got is Alien Nation plain black rim with the Mission Echo front hub. 2 spokes are missing on this rim because my friend knocked into me. Tire is the Kink Lyra tire, 2.3, as you can see right there. Good tire. Seat is the Animal Cush stripe, the stripe one. Good seat. Animal Wedge Micro Post. Mission seat clamp. Sprocket, Kink Decimal, 25 tooth. My cranks, the Mission Transit. Over here we got a KMC chain. It's pink and half of it is blue. Good chain. You can see. Pedals, Mission Impulse. They're plastic. Back tire is a Kink Vela tire, as you can see. Or it says Vela. It says Vela back there. 2.1. And my newest part on the bike I just got today. Hero rim is the conversion kit with the loud hub. It's purple. Really good rim. It's strong. It runs. It's very fast. Sealed bearings too. You can see. The back peg I got is an Odyssey. The front peg is an Animal Butcher peg. And that's pretty much my bike check. Here's my old rim I have. It's kind of good, but I just wanted to get a new one. I need purple. This one was really not working well. Something was wrong with it. So that's the rim. I'll show you the hub sound on that. It actually is loud now, surprisingly. I'll do both hub sounds. This rim is the Alien Nation Black Sheep, laced to a Mission, the Mission React hub, and see, it's Black Sheep. So here you go. Here's the hub sound. That's the hub for that. Now, here's my Hero rim. Set my bike up. So, there's the rim, and here we go. Yeah, I'll get it louder. That's my bike check, and that's my new rim. One thing about this rim is that it's a hollow axle. See?